Una don still hear say dem tell pipo for olden days say no fail to do wetin you swear say you go do. Instead, you must do wetin you promise Jehovah. But I dey tell una say make una no swear at all, whether to use heaven because na the throne of God, or to use earth because na the stool wey he dey put him leg on top, or to use Jerusalem because na the city of the great king. Make una no use una head swear, since una no fit make one hair white or black. Just let your yes be yes and your no no, because anything wey pass this one na from the wicked person.